Hi, my name's Dave, one of the technicians from eServices. So we're going to look at getting onto Microsoft Teams. Now, if you've got an iPad or an Apple mobile phone, you can go to the App Store and download Microsoft Teams, and I'll put a link in the description. And if you've got an Android mobile phone or an Android tablet, you can go to the Google Play Store and download Teams, and again there'll be a link in the description. Alternatively, any device which has a web browser can also access Teams. That's your laptop, your iPad, your mobile phone. So you don't even need to download the app if you don't want to. So the best way to do this is to open up a web browser. One thing worth bearing in mind, this doesn't work with Internet Explorer. So if you're using Windows 10 or Windows 7 and you've got an old version with Internet Explorer on, move to Microsoft Edge or download Chrome or Firefox or something like that. But all you do is in the address bar at the top is type in teams.microsoft.com. Press enter. It will then ask you to sign in. So sign in with your child's email address, which is usually two numbers, their first name and their surname, but that may be different. It depends on the school. And then you put the rest of the email address in, click next, pop in the password, click sign in. You then get this option to stay signed in. If it's a shared device, if you've got multiple children using the same device, then obviously no. And you can also tick the box to say don't show again. If it's not a shared device, one child's using it and they've got their own log on, then by all means you can click yes. And after a few moments, Microsoft Teams will load. On your Windows device or on your Mac device, you'll also see this little icon down in the bottom left. That allows you to download the desktop app. So as well as having an app on your mobile phone or on your tablet, there's also an app you can download for Windows or Mac OS X. Like I said, there's links in the description to the Google Play Store and the App Store. And please subscribe because we are going to do some more videos helping you and your children to do the remote learning that we have to do at the moment.